So, what do you want to study? Business stream or a science stream? What if you don't know what you want to study? What if you want to study something different? Here at SJMIS, we'll be rolling out changes to the curriculum starting 2023 and 2024 academic year. So students will have more options than just business and science streams. The new changes to the curriculum will benefit the students in several ways. Aligning the curriculum with the U.S. high school curriculum. The students will have more freedom to choose what they want to learn. The students will be able to explore more options about future fields of study. Students will become more competitive applicants when applying to universities in Thailand and across the world. Finally, we'll be providing more college prep support for the students to handle coursework in the university. So, let's see what you are really interested in. Now that the choice is yours, what will you decide?